get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit.
Well, today we are going to change the front shocks on the 99 Suburban. I got some Rancho 5000 shocks. I've just picked them up from Amazon. There's the part number for the front. I've had pretty good luck with these shocks before. It comes with a boot. It's pretty heavy duty. And the ride's great. Here, you can put a sticker on. Zip tie for the boot. This is what I took off, so you know, I didn't know Edelbrock even made shocks. This one, seen better days. Still worked. I tried pushing it in and out, but this bushing is pretty worn out. This thing was just flopping around in here. Yeah, it was a horrible ride. So anyway, got one side done. Basically just took out those push pins for the, you know, water, mud deflector. And then you can get right to those bolts. 18mm top and bottom. Pretty easy. This truck has about 137,000 miles on it, and it's been in the Midwest, so it's pretty rusty, but it came right off. So I'll do the other side. I'll make a video for it. All right, well, we gotta pull this tire off. Next, I'm gonna spray a little PB blaster on this old shock. Well, I'll take this shroud off. got it out. I don't know why this side was tighter. Alright, all we gotta do is tighten this up. It looks really close on the driver's side. I mean, like really close. Well, it gets farther away when it goes up, when there's weight on it. So maybe this stop, or maybe something's bent. I don't know.
Well, thanks for watching my video. Check out some of our other videos. Like, subscribe, hit the notification. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.